Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey through crypto. So, guys, after much consideration of taking a break from YouTube, the demand is there, and also, you know, these videos do help a lot of people out. So, I will continue to push them, and we'll continue to push out more content to you guys. And we'll continue as well to prepare for launch of our tokens. Make your way to the Telegram group as well. So a new Visionary DeFi Telegram has been created. Um, uh, the project also been rebranded and ready for launch as well, relaunch, and also the Luna Finance coin as well. So I know a lot of people may see just red in the market oftentimes, but the main reason is, guys, I see a lot of people, they are looking at the small picture, so they give themselves the they give themselves the stress of not knowing, or even if they do know, they'll still stress out themselves out because they are looking at things on a short term. Um, so in broad term, what I would recommend to view crypto in general is, let's say we'll take a look at Bitcoin, for example. I mean, the the minimum time really to be looking at the chart is on the 3 days, not even on the 1 day. Is on the 3 day and up. So that gives you a bigger picture and bigger understanding of the market. For example, it's like someone looking at the 1 minute chart, they're paying attention to the 1 minute chart. And that's just, as I've been mentioned before, it's just a smaller cycle of the larger picture. So even, let's say for example, if someone that who is looking at the 1 minute time frame. So let's say if it decides to pump, then as it retracing, then people would stress themselves out because they would see red. But if they look at on a larger time frame, they would see after the brief moment of down, then there will be the bigger look at the 5 day, for example. That 5 day candle is still green. So we are having a huge resistance at 73. So this candle should push everything upward, and we'll get that speed and that volume we need to just break through straight through 80K. So that's where we're headed next, guys. Um, you know, especially on the 5 day, things are moving very quietly. So let's say, for example, if you look at the 1 minute can be moving very rapidly, but it's just a smaller um, movement that's happening within a big pocket of a larger movement. So long long term, even the daily's just been consolidating. So look how many days Bitcoin been consolidating, the entire market been consolidating. We haven't even moved. But a lot of people, they just see one candle of red, they assume Bitcoin's crashing. So for example, if you look at this, the bigger picture right here. So we started at 38,000. We've been climbing, climbing, climbing. There would always be cycle up and downs, but a lot of people get caught in the down movement that they stress themselves out instead of looking at things on a bigger scale. So I would say if you count each of these candles in these areas where Bitcoin been consolidating, let's even attempt to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that would be about, rough estimate. I'm not even going to count all of it. So we can count 10 candles, and that'll give us an idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 times 5. So about 50 days we've just been consolidating. There hasn't really been any move up. There haven't been any moved down. So in within those past days, 60 days, 40 days, 50 days, you've caught yourself stressing. You're stressing over nothing because we haven't even moved. We've just been going sideways. That's how volatile Bitcoin is. Even one daily candle, people would see one daily red candle and say the market's crashing. It's not crashing, guys. It's just how the market moves. It just the longer the candles, the more volume there is, and the more volatile the coin becomes. So one daily candle, green daily candle, can start at, let's say that's what's gonna happen. Can start at, let's say, at the 49,000, and then just one daily candle reaches at 70,000. That's how long the next candles are going to become. So we will see in one day Bitcoin can move uh, 10,000 $10,000 up each day, and then as it continues to pop, it gets larger and larger. So that's how it's easily going to get into the million%. I mean, the $1 million per coin. So any day we should see that breakout, that big breakout, where one of the daily candles, once Bitcoin stops consolidating, we will see it. Right now it's at 63. In just one day we can see Bitcoin jump from 63 to 80. So that's how fast it's going to be moving. That's real movement as far as the markets. But looking at things on a larger time frame, on a weekly time frame, we're getting ready to pop. The next big pop is the millionaire makers. The weekly time frame, this is what we're about to see. Some godly candles and a range of emotions, traders, from holders, from day traders. So I always advocate to just stay a long-term trader, because if you are a short-term trader, you will look at things on a shorter time frame, and you will not see the bigger picture. This is where a lot of people make mistakes in trading, because they look at the wrong time frame. So even on the monthly, we've already retraced it on the monthly time frame. So the next green candle should be a monster candle. Yeah, so this is all the updates, guys. You know, the demand is there as far as the YouTube videos. I'll keep pushing them more and more and giving you guys update. But a lot of information you will not find on the channel. Um, Valuable information is for those that's in the premium signals. I will continue to do those videos as well. Uh, this is where you will find a lot of key nuggets, golden nuggets to help you along your journey. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Join the Telegram, the link is in the description below.